All right. So for this, I was saying now that for the fire stone that we're going to be doing position anchor points. Now let me play this thing and let me show you something. Let me close this. Okay. If you see the movement, you can see that the movement is all at the center. You can see the way it's moving. That this center, the anchor point which is at the center, you can see the way it's not the way it's moving the animation. It's everything is, even though it's going in circular form, it is still maintaining that line. It is making sure that it can see. That was what I wanted to show you. But then let me now show you what the usefulness of anchor point is if you move the anchor point away from the center. So we are doing that with the last one. So open your Firestone transform. Let me move it up so I can see clearly. So I have clicked on 0 for position. Then I'm also using, I said I'll use anchor point too, and I'll use rotation. I'm using the 3. So for this anchor point, let's move it away from the center, like I said. So you can see, let's move it away from the center. It's not in the center again, right? So now let's see how it's going to move now. So at your 1 second, this is 1 second, bring your structure down. Anchor point, you can move the anchor point a bit. You can retain the same anchor point too. But let's leave it at the same anchor point. Let's just leave it. I changed the anchor point. Let me move this to rotation should now be 180. 180. Okay, let me do 180. 180. Let's move it to 2 seconds. Take it down. So I don't want to touch the anchor point again because I already touched it from the beginning. I've used it. It's not like the other ones that you're changing all the time, although you can. But I just wanted to show you what anchor point can do once you've made adjustment to it. So let me change my rotation now. My rotation at this second should be 360 now. It should be 360. It was already recorded 360. 360. Good. This is 360. That means one rotation, one full cycle. So let's take it to 3 seconds now. 3 seconds, I want it to be down here. And I want it to take another 180 turn. Rotation should be another extra 180. Let me position this well. Alright, so now let's see what we have done. Let me play it. It's still loading to play now. Move it from the beginning so I can see them. Hope you can see the rotation. So you see, This rotation, it's because it's at the center line, it maintained that center rotation. Every is rotating, but it's rotating from the center. That is why it just went smoothly. But because this one, when I moved the anchor point away from the center, it moved to one angle. So you can see that the rotation is quite different from each other. So that means when you don't want your rotation to be centralized, you can form what we are seeing now. So this is how you can do your animation. So there is another thing we have to learn now, which I'm going to show in the next tutorial. There's a way that this is even moving. It's looking somehow. We have a way that we can actually make our animation to be more smooth, more gentle, have this more nicer flow in a way that it will feel so natural. So that's what we'll be learning in the next one that we're going to be doing now. That's the end for this.